Yo, yo, yo. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Spring G2C. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. We got another video, and we're not going to be talking about neither one of these. So I'm moving them out the way. We got a box. Springfield box. Let's open it up. That. I'm a little upset because they forgot to put my extra magazine in here. But it's fine. I go to them a lot, so I'll go get it. Don't matter. But let y'all see that. It's the Springfield XD. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, we got the Springfield XD, people. Y'all requested this. So here you go. Safety check. Magazine empty. Knock it to the rear. See if that's clear. So yeah, Springfield XD. What you get in the box is basically the same with all, the firearms I do. You're supposed to get 2 magazines. I bought this other magazine. This is a 16 round magazine. I'm gonna let y'all see that. I bought this one separate from the gun, but I suppose they had another magazine that came with it. So I'm gonna sit that one to the side. Let's act like I don't even have it. This is what it came with. A 12 round magazine. And it is it's 13 round magazine. It's a flesh fit. Let y'all see. Smooth fit. Move this box out y'all way. Get rid of this. So yeah, like I said, the Springfield XD, I've been getting a lot of requests about this. So let's get started with it. Basically what we got, another 9mm. So let's start with the features of this thing. We got ambidextrous magazine release. I don't know if you can see me pushing it in on that side, but yeah. Magazine release works for both ends. We got a loaded chamber indicator. Push that down so y'all can see. Do you see that come up? Right there where my pinky is. A loaded chamber indicator. See it better that way. And we also got, this little thing is kind of neat back here to me, a fire pin. So when the weapon is in battery, see that silver comes out of there now? So we got the fire pin that sticks out. So at night, let's just say you in the house, some intruder or something in, you don't know if you got one in there, you can always feel, see if the fire pin out, or feel up on the top of the barrel, and you'll feel to see if the loaded chamber indicator is up. So yeah, so look, it goes back in. Show you again. It's out. Back in. So yeah, that's how it works. And you also have this grip safety back here. It's kind of like the 1911. You got the grip safety. Then you also got another double trigger safety here. So nothing, like it won't do anything. Like I can't even see, I can't pull the trigger all the way back until I activate the grip safety. trigger without the grip safety. Grip safety. So, show y'all that. No grip safety. Nothing. Grip safety. There we go. So yeah, and you do get accessory rail with this. That's one of the big pluses I like over my Glock 26. Let me just, since I'm showing it to you, let me just make sure it's clear. Clear. My Glock 26, it doesn't have an accessory rail. So that's like it's not mandatory on the Glocks, but like I say, compared to this, let y'all see side by side. They both kind of the same as far as height and stuff like that. But I just don't like that I don't have well, I like that this one comes with the accessory rail, but the Glock doesn't. For it to be a Glock, it should have an accessory rail. Also, my 43 also don't have a accessory rail. Clear this one. So yeah, no accessory rail on there. But this is a slim model pistol, so wouldn't matter. And as far as this XD go, this other magazine I have for it, it's the 16 round. I'm sticking it in and let y'all see how it looks. That's how it looks. Give you a full size grip pistol. More capacity. Yeah. So yeah, I've been getting a lot of requests about this XD, so there y'all go, man. There you have it. The XD Springfield in 9mm. Spring G2C here with another one. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think down below. If y'all thinking about picking one of these up, I mean, I paid roughly $500 for it after taxes, the extra magazine, and stuff like that. So I paid roughly about $500 for it, brand new, and it is the XD subcompact model. So let y'all see that. Yeah. And it comes with this 13 round magazine, and I was supposed to get another one in a box, but they didn't put it in there, so I just called my gun dealer and let them know, like, hey, I just picked up my XD, but my extra magazine wasn't in the box. And I'm pretty sure they'll just tell me to come up there and pick up one. No rush. But yeah, that's it, people. Let me know what y'all think. The XD. And I'm out.